Good morning everybody, it's Marley Barker from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to remove a BMW 120i sound system. Now, some of the common symptoms are no display or a scramble display, or it might not turn on at all. Okay, let's get started. The tools you will need today is a plastic spudger and a Phillips head screwdriver. The first thing we're going to do is remove this section here. Start up this end by getting a spudger under it, and it comes out on clips like so. I'll put that aside. This section here is all loose for video purposes, but you'll need to spudger that out, and this will come out as a whole piece like so. Now that will expose 2 Phillips head screws, and we're going to go ahead and remove those. Okay, so we've taken out the 2 screws. We're going to unplug this just to get it out of the way. You need to press a button and then slide that slide down. Same with this lever. You have to press a middle little lever and then press it down, and that will come out. And now we can get that out of the way so that it's not interfering with the removal. Okay, we're going to remove this part now, and we've got a lot more room. We'll need to unplug this guy back here, like so, and this guy here comes out. It just presses that pin, that middle lever, and then fold it back, and that radio is now ready to send off to Supertech Electronics.